We finally get into some of what these symbols that you've been seeing throughout all the examples that we've had so far, we get to explain it. The first one is the optional participation, and I think you know what optional means. It's a dead giveaway if the two items are being highlighted right now because it's a dead giveaway because of the O literally in that. Now notice, by the way, the cardinality for all of these, if it is optional, it'll start off at zeros. This one starts off at 0, this one starts off at 0, there's the O, oh, there's not one down there. They'll all start off with 0 because it's optional, just like having kids is quite optional. So that's a dead giveaway for that. But notice the cardinality is going to back that up. So I want you to really think of this as a grouping really as we do this, both cardinality and the actual participation symbol or the crow's foot symbol on a participation. Whereas mandatory, it's at least one, let's put it that way. So again, every time that you see that one bar there to the left-hand side, it's being highlighted better with the graphics here, is that's telling you, again, with the pairing between the symbol and the cardinality, that there's at least got to be one, but this one happens to be a one-to-one. Okay, this is going back and forth. Remember, one professor is going to teach the class. Whew, boy, get that out. But anyway, so each of these happen to be using a one-to-one, so I want you to know that there is two options for that, but in the examples that we have here, they're really just using one-to-one for some reason. But anyway, so notice the matching between our participation and our symbols that we have, again, using the O on this to let you know if it's optional. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. One other thing I wanted to show real quick is the many portion is going to be that feather or that spike of 3, and both examples are highlighting right now, and then both of them will give out the many as well. So that's our overall visual representation of the relationships and the participation between entities.